So today we have a dehumidifier, which as you can see is a little dirty. We're going to remove this filter here and we're going to clean it with Purple Blaster. So here we have the Purple Blaster, and right next to it we have that filter, and I'm going to just spray half of it so that we can show you the effect of the cleanliness of the Purple Blaster. So I'm just going to go halfway, wet it, let me see if I just grab it through the other side. Do the same thing halfway. And I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing off all the dirt. This is what Purple Blaster does. As you can see, all we do is spray it. We just spray Purple Blaster on. Just do the other side. As you can see, look at the difference already. Clean this side now. Like we've always said, all you need is Purple Blaster, dirty surface till you clean it, you can see the difference, and lots of water. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.